Donupam Chanda from Boston. That is fundamentals of extrusion blow molding. Extrusion blow molding is a process for creating hollow plastic parts that involves melting plastics to that is form a tube called a perition, clamping the perition in a mold and flattening it with compressed air to conform to the mold shape. Key fundamentals include the continuous extrusion of the molten plastics, the inflation of the perition to form the final shape, cooling to solidify the product, and the ejection of the part after the mold opens. Key steps: extrusion. Plastics pellets are that is melted in an extruder and pushes through a die to form a continuous hollow tube known as perition. Clamping. A mold consisting of two halves closes around the perition to capture it. Blowing, that is, compressed air is blown into the perition, inflating it against the cooler mold walls to take on the shape of the cavity. Step by step, I am explaining. Cooling and ejection. The part cools and solidifies inside the mold, which then opens to release the finished products. Excess plastics, flash that is called, is removed, often by deflashing. Important factors mentioned: melt strength, that is, the polymer must have sufficient melt strength to prevent the perition from sagging or breaking before it can enclosed in the mold. Material properties like polymer viscosity, crystallization rate, and thermal properties are critical for achieving a uniform wall thickness and a successful cycle. Common material includes HDPE, PP, and PET. Perition control factors like die swell and perition drop due that is sagging due to gravity, that is must be managed to avoid uneven wall thickness and other defects. High volume production. The process is well suited for cost effective high volume production of hollow item like bottles and industrial containers. So that is fundamental. I explained, that is the extrusion blow molding for, that is, machine operators, supervisors, and the, that is, inspection or machine inspection officers. They can helpful for. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe.